You know, the number one question I get these days is not what kind of camera should I buy, is not iPhone or Android, is not, you think I should buy that new iPhone now? It's, hey Jeff, that selfie stick that you walk around with, that tripod, that combination thing that I've seen you hold, that grip, what's it all about? Who makes it? Well, thanks for asking. It's made by Insta360, the company that has that cool Insta360 X2 and X3 cameras. But you don't have to use it. You can use it with your smartphone, and it is a great, great alternative to the gimbals, the expensive gimbals that are a little problematic to use and are a pain in the butt to walk around with. So I love this thing. Sells for about $25 on Amazon or on the Insta360 site, though I recommend getting it with Amazon because you will save on shipping if you're a Prime member. The beauty of this thing, it extends 4 feet. It turns into a tripod. It's a selfie stick. I don't know if you could see how long I extended there. I can place it on the ground and do a time lapse really quickly. I can put it on a table at a cafe and do interviews just like that. And, but, before you get started, you're going to need a smartphone tripod adapter. There's zillions of these. You can get them for around $10. I got this baby from Manfrotto. It's a little bit more expensive. It's $25, but it's worth it because it's sturdier. I've used ones that have cracked in half, so you don't want to do that. So obviously, I showed you, I just put it right on there, and then you will undo it, loosen it, and just stick your phone in there, snap it, and now I am ready for action. Now I told you that I prefer this to a gimbal because the gimbals are kind of problematic to balance your phone in there. This one is already balanced. I've got it in here. I can pan, I can walk down the street with it, and it's very smooth. And I can pretty much do everything I want to do with this guy, and it'll fit in my pocket. Now, I told you about that. I told you about this little Manfrotto doodad. It has a cold shoe on top. Do you see that? And with the cold shoe, you can stick accessories in there like this little light that should slip right in, screw it in, and yeah, and now we've got some lighting there, which will go on my face. Hopefully will make my image a little brighter. I know that half of me is a little bit of a shade, so that should pick up a little bit. Now that's my tripod adapter. I also have a cage. Let me show you the cage. This is a cage from a company named Small Rig, and it's really cool. You slip your iPhone in there, snap it together, and now you have more than one cold shoe, you have several. You can stick lights up there, you can stick microphones, and you don't have to worry about the accessory smartphone adapter because you can snap your little tripod selfie stick doodad right in there and you are all set. So I really like the cage because I'm all ready for action and I'd like to bring my light, and obviously I use microphones as well. I'm wearing one right here. So $25, Insta360 tripod selfie stick, so versatile. Interviews, panning, video. It looks cool. It's fun to walk down the street with this. The Insta360 tripod selfie stick. If you buy one, make sure you get the combo. They also sell a selfie stick only. And why would you want a selfie stick only when you could get a great tripod as part of the same deal for the same price? Questions, answers? Don't forget we do a live show every Thursday at 2 o'clock Pacific time. I'd love to see you there. Meanwhile, comments below. I'll have all the links. Thanks for watching. I'm Jefferson Graham.